Hi guys, how's it going? Hey, I got something really cool in the mail today. The other day, I got an email from a gentleman named Gordon, and he's with a YouTube channel, Chasing Planes. And he goes around different places, checking out, military aircraft, different aircraft, whatnot. And so there was a video that he had done a while back that I made a comment on, and he had done a drawing, and he messaged me and he said, well, he said, you won something, and need your information, I'll send it out to you. I was like, oh, okay, cool, so sent him his info, talked to him a little bit, and today this shows up in the mail. And wow. And you guys know me, know how I love warbirds, and he said that there was a P-61 Black Widow model he was sending out, and I wasn't sure if it was a kit or if it was, like a completed model, head to stand kind of thing, whatnot. But this kit, every time I go into Hobby Lobby, I look at this kit. And, well, now I don't have to look at it anymore, because now I have it. And it is just a very, very cool kit. P-61s are just one of those planes that, I don't know, man, they're just awesome. Got a cool look to them. And the museum in Reading, Pennsylvania, the Mid-Atlantic Flight Museum, or Mid-Atlantic Air Museum, they were the ones that he was doing the video about, and they've got a P-61 that they're restoring. I believe they're restoring it back to flying condition, but I'm gonna have to check on that. But he had sent along a couple of things too, about veteran suicide, with some links for donations and whatnot, which is a very important kind of a thing. I mean, these guys, go out and fight for us, and we can support them, when they need us, And then this neat magazine, Spirit of Flight Foundation magazine, and it's really neat stuff, I tell you. The Swift, that's a cool little bird. Yeah, really nice magazine. 50 years of women airline pilots. Top Gun goes racing. Very cool. And got a list of donors. Oh, cool. They even got a little crossword puzzle thing. Nice. But, yeah, Chasing Planes TV is Gordon's YouTube channel. Yeah, I'll definitely leave a link down there for you guys to go check it out. He's got some really good stuff on there. And then I'll leave a link also for the Mid-Atlantic Air Museum there in Reading, Pennsylvania. And like I said, they've got the Black Widow that they basically, from what this video said, they basically have the interior and the fuselage and whatnot all restored. They've got to do the outer wings and that, which they said that's going to be a several year process yet, because I guess the wings were in really bad shape. I've seen pictures of the plane before, and I mean, it was like it was just junked. It was like it was crashed. Really, really bad shape, and to look at it now, it's unbelievable. But, yeah, so anyway, huge thanks to Gordon. I appreciate it. And, like I said, I wasn't expecting that email. That was really neat to get. And like I said, now I don't have to look at this kit every time I go into Hobby Lobby, because I was always looking at it, but just never had the money to grab one. And so it seems like the model kit prices are getting out of hand. But anyway, guys, like I said, check out the links down below, and definitely check this one out. I'll have a link to it too. Flight for Life movie.com. Definitely want to help stop the veteran suicides and whatnot, so it's not a good thing. Keep these guys around. So, okay, guys, well, like I said, I wanted to show you this, and huge thanks to Gordon at Chasing Planes and Mid-Atlantic Air Museum, and everybody out there watching, all my subscribers and friends and part of the YouTube family there. Thanks, guys. Take care. Stay safe. Bye-bye.